30-day challenge, skating every day, every day. Pack some shorts.
You don't want no word, a nigga say that. If you get that money, nigga say that. Say that. Watching planes out the window through a roof. You don't let me damn do it. It ain't nothing new. It ain't nothing new. I just buy some shit, spend some money on some brand new shit.
The skating is
That ain't nothing, that ain't nothing new.
Trying to make this 30-day challenge. I'm
brand new coupe, race. Spin this nigga ass like a Beyblade. I feel like I'm Michael Myers, huh? I get go all night, don't get tired, huh?
So like I can't do the tricks, it's just the process of learning them. And when I learn a trick, it's like I immediately, not every trick, but I usually, it's like a fast growth. I usually get the concepts in my head, put it to action, and it just, the learning part of it, like the actual landing part, doesn't click right away, but it just takes time like everything. Day 11 of the 30-day challenge, skating every day for 30 days. Gonna skate some flat ground for the first part of the day. If I can bring the rail, I will. Try some tricks on it. If not, I won't bring it. I'll just skate flat. But other than that, we're just skating, progressing, and taking down this 30-day challenge day by day. You. I'm trying to lock in on this flat ground this morning. Try not to skate too long though, because I've been skating every day. This is the 10th day, plus the days before that I was skating, which is like probably 6 or 7 days before that I was skating straight every day too. Before those, I was taking impact without good insoles in my shoe, without footprint shoes. I really like skating every day. I'm leaving in like 30 minutes. Gotta put in the work somehow. Skating every day for 30 days. Day 11. Tap in with me. This YouTube shit's awesome. Thing's pretty sick though. No cap. Low key. This thing's pretty dope. It's just small as shit. Yankee ass. Stone nigga Yankee, I made it at. Don't cross the line when I play with that. I get these niggas. I saw your man, she wear me out. Don't get thrown out for the shit. Knew I could throw shit on the wrist. Oh, it does.
I'm feeling talented shit. Same fuck. Foreign that bitch, she from London. I'm fucking a pretty bitch from out the country. I do what they does, run up the money and keep the shit coming. I do what they does, run up the money, I keep the stay with a drum. Turn up the fan, you go dumber and dumber.
On my way to your bitch house.
Spin on a nigga, yeah, we burn the rub. We hit the drop and then boys take cover. Keep my head up and let them take me under. We pop the bands, like we stay with a drum. Turn up the fan, you go dumber and dumber. So the fan, hold on, cause the money coming. I'm not a fool, bitch, I'm for not no sucker. They on the show, they for real getting dust. Take off them niggas get dust. I'm on the one, yeah, the free ain't no other. Tryna get big money, spend out the numbers. Grew up real young, cause this shit got tough. Niggas talk shit all the time, they be some bust. Niggas hate me, they some dumb motherfuckers. I keep the shit real because that's what they does. Walk on the stage, turned up the shit jumping. Used to smoke G-back, now it's out the onion. That shit get hot like it's up in the oven. Main event nigga just like Wood Rum. Shit talking ain't gon' do shit but get dealt with. Know some real niggas and I know some feelings. If I don't know you, not a real member. Call a little flag, I'm still burning embers. Back then I ain't used to pop shit ever. Now you talk stupid, got you feeling clever. What the boy saying is I can't remember. And I'm getting hot cause you keep getting better. Niggas be keeping us, they just be texting. These niggas listening, they doing extra. Real life, they niggas doing the shit. They start shit, but I know how to get shit. Had the bank, fuck some real pressure. Had the bank, got a nigga, he bought one them. Cut off the head of them, niggas get separate. Niggas try to stop me, I'm fitted, it's dead. Like rock, my nigga, he like the rain. Spend on the nigga, yeah, we run the road. We use the drop, and then push take the cover. Keep my head up and let them take me under. We pop the bands, like we stay with a drum. Turn up the fan, you go dumber and dumber. So the fan, hold on, cause
Give me first hole, son.
I'm not a fool, bitch, I'm for not a sucker.
I got 3 ones in my pocket for you at the end of the day. Good. Motherfucker is hot as looks hot. Oh, Jesus.
They got turn signals?
Remember, this was on down the beach. So you were able to drive this on the highway, down here on the roads. Big field.
What is that saying?
He was just finishing the he wasn't gonna get the truck, get it ready to haul. Mark's truck. Up to the front.
Wait, now?
What's that?
What's going on?
No, you gotta go back up the way.
Oh, okay. Put the camera that way? This thing will flip easy as fuck. Not really. Do a 2-wheel James Bond.
On 2.
See how the grass meets the road like
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
I went down into Jimmy's field and I was flooring it and it was wet. And I slid out and both of the side tires on this side,
Caught
on
that.
this side, caught the road and flew off.
Yeah,
and cracked my
yeah.
head.
Yeah, because it grabs.
Yeah.
That's why when you drive, if you go off the road, you gotta watch it. Panic and hop back on. All of a sudden, you get tire grabs. Yeah.
Yeah?
Shit.
Sure?
Yeah. Just straight. Did it hit it?
Did you get it? Yeah, go grab One more check before we hit the road. My leg's kind of beat, but I think we're hitting the park still later. So, try some more backtails. Let's do a little ollie though real quick. You! Kick flip into the pool. Side.
Money swag, I just got a bag, spend it on my bitch. Money bags came from dirty racks, I get hella rich. Money bags coming in, they hella thick. Lot of gas, lot of butt like elephant. You don't want no one, nigga say that. Say that.
Oh, you motherfucker! That was so close.
Watching planes out the window through my room. Every damn knew that ain't nothing new. It ain't nothing new. I just buy some shit, spend some money on some brand new shoes. Nigga hit on me, that ain't nothing new. I just get so cool, that ain't nothing new. I'm too cool. 10 out of the window on a brand new coupe. Little race. Spin a nigga ass like a Beyblade. I feel like I might go mad, huh? I can go all night, don't get tired, huh? Don't get tired, huh? Yeah, I can go all night, don't get tired, huh? Don't get tired, huh? Yeah, money swag, I just got a bag, spend it on my bitch. Money bags came from dirty racks, try to get hella rich. Money bags coming in, they hella thick. Lot of gas, lot of foot like elephant. You don't want no war, nigga, say that. If you get that money, nigga, say that. Watching planes out the window through my room. Every day I knew that it ain't nothing new. New swag, new bitch, new coupe. New switch, new outfit, new shoes.
It's like a fucking sauna in here. We're gonna have to do backtails tomorrow. It's a Friday, so we'll definitely hit the park. Have fun today though. Just cruising on the toys. And skating flat ground a little bit. But yeah, sweating bullets. Yeah, we'll fucking hit the backtails tomorrow. Thanks for tapping into day 11. It was kind of eventful, but a little less skating than usual. So, yeah, tomorrow we'll go to the park. I'm gonna go home and eat some food, take a shower, then go to bed, and wake up, repeat. Live life to the fullest. Do what you gotta do to get by. And yeah, day 11 at the 30-day challenge, skating every day for 30 days. It's happening tomorrow for day 12.